Germans. Aye.
Oh God, see the school driver.
What the fucking is this? I say screwdriver.
Baby, oh God, see the school driver.
I say screwdriver. I'm
What
talking
is-
of not a school driver.
See him now.
What
I
a
don't
lot of
think
Nigerian people don't have English language.
Baby, oh God.
Which kind of money?
Wallahi, tallahi, you was baby. See the school
You're
driver.
very stupid.
Wallahi, oh God, you will pay me.
I told you
Allah.
no screwdriver. I'm talking of screwdrivers.
Oh God, pay me my money.
Screwdriver.
Oh God, pay me.
Excuse
Give
me.
me my money.
I don't understand you.
Oh God, give me my
Please,
money.
please. Don't touch me. Please. Why?
Give me my money, oh God.
Why do you
Allah,
like this?
wallahi, you will pay me.
Why do you like this?
Oh God, come pay me
I'm
my
scared of
money.
these people. Why do you like this?
Come and give me my money. See the school driver. I bring the
I'm
school
talking of
driver for you.
screwdriver. Screwdriver.
See him now. He's here now.
Not this
This
one.
one now. Oh God, this one is one now.
These people don't understand English. I
Oh God, pay me now. Pay me my money.
Why are you doing like this?
Oh
Why
God,
are you
pay me.
doing like this?
He say I bring his school driver. I carry you. You come. You do what I want. Pay me my money, oh God.
Screwdriver.
This is the school driver. Oh God, you say I bring the school driver. I bring the school driver. You pay me $5,000. Give me my money, oh God.
Please wait for me. I will give you the money.
Okay, give me my money.
Sorry,
If not,
I will give you the money. I will
this
give you the money.
one. Oh God, school driver is here. Oh, give me my money. See this man, oh. You want to do me, yawa. I want my money now. You force me, I go to bring your school driver and you are telling me it's not you that you want. Give me my money, oh God. Pay me, Joe.
This is $500. Take it. Go.
Yake faruwa.
Da danna subscribe
Wannan jambutin da yake kasa da alaman karrawa.
kuma kai liking.
Kai liking and share. Three mosquitoes comedians.